Can I paint a portrait of Virat Kohli using just this plastic palette knife set that cost me only 45 cents? That's just 40 rupees.
Are you serious?
Stay with me as I prove that you don't need expensive tools to create amazing artwork. Even a cheap plastic palette knife can get the job done. I've broken this video down into 5 simple steps, so you can follow along or jump straight to any step you're interested in. Let's get started with step 1. Materials required. Mounted canvas holds the texture well. Sketching tools. Acrylic paints. Fast drying and perfect for bold, thick strokes. Or oil paints. And of course, cheap plastic palette knife. Let's see if it works. Step 2. Sketching. Freehand drawing or the grid method. Or you can use tracing paper. Tracing your sketch before a palette knife painting isn't cheating. It's just a tool to ensure accuracy. What truly matters is your creative interpretation and technique in applying the paint. Step 3. Palette knife painting techniques. Palette knives come in all shapes and sizes. Painting technique number 1. Applying paint. Let's get started. Squeeze out some paint, scoop it up with your palette knife, and spread it onto the canvas, just like butter on bread. Move the knife back and forth, up and down, but avoid scraping off the paint. Blending. To blend 2 colors, simply apply one color to the canvas, then with another color, move the knife side to side until the colors merge seamlessly. Pressing. Scoop some paint onto the knife, and using the flat side, press it into your first color. Spread it out to lighten or darken the tone. Double or multi-loading. Place 2 or 3 small spots of paint on your palette, then drag the knife across both colors and pull it across the canvas. Scooping. If you make a mistake, scoop the wet paint off with the edge of the knife, then repaint or add another layer. Sgraffito. Apply a thick layer of paint, then scrape away sections using the tip of the knife to create textured effects. Stay with me as I show 4 more techniques in the next step. Step 4. The painting process. Palette knife painting is a game changer. It adds energy, depth, and texture like no other technique. Unlike brushes, where you often dilute paint with mediums, a palette knife lets you apply colors in their purest form. This means bolder, more vibrant strokes that stand out on the canvas. The physical act of spreading, scraping, and layering paint directly onto the canvas. It feels more like sculpting than painting. There's something incredibly satisfying about it.
So satisfying.
Yes, you too can create jaw-dropping masterpieces like this. This. And this. Beyond just color, palette knives allow you to build layers, create bold textures, and sculpt paint in ways that traditional brushes simply can't. Which brings us to painting technique number 7, layering. Layer thick paint for a 3D effect, building up textures while allowing for blending and depth. Each layer adds to the overall texture and visual complexity. Layering is closely related to the impasto technique. Painting technique number 8. Broken application. Load the knife with paint and apply quick strokes, pressing lightly at an angle. Scrape the paint in the opposite direction to create uneven, broken textures. But what kind of style should you aim for? A subtle, natural look or a bold, expressive one? If you're just starting out, I wouldn't recommend going for hyper-realism. Instead, just go for it. Experiment. Play with bold colors, large, patchy strokes, and let the painting evolve naturally. The more you paint, the more your unique style will emerge. That's the beauty of art. Every artist brings something different to the canvas. Someone once said, "There are as many styles of art as there are artists in this world." So, what's your style? Will you channel Van Gogh's raw emotion, Matisse's bold energy, Afremov's vibrant strokes, or Bob Ross's effortless textures? Or better yet, Break the rules, mix it up, and create a style that's unmistakably yours. Painting technique number 9, impasto. An Italian word for mixture, used to describe a painting technique wherein paint is thickly laid on the canvas so that palette knife marks are visible, creating visible strokes and a three-dimensional texture. And the final technique. Number 10, lines. For sharp, clean lines, load the edge of the knife with paint, hold it at a right angle, then press down and glide across the canvas. Step 5, the final reveal. And that's it. I hope this video inspired you to try palette knife painting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art content. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and have an amazing day ahead.